A civil authority has issued fire warning for the following counties or areas. Santa Fe, New Mexico. At 10:05 a.m. on August 8, 2026, effective until 6:05 p.m. Due to increased activity on the Frijoles fire, the communities of Condillo and Cerro Pinon are placed in ready status. There is no evacuation order at this time. Residents should be prepared in case conditions change. Gather essential items and make a plan to leave if evacuation orders are issued. Stay vigilant of changing conditions. More information about what actions to take during ready status can be found at https://www.santafeunym.gov/uploads/documents/SantafeSCAP 2017.pdf. Changes to evacuation status can be found on the Santa Fe County webpage. https://www.santafeunym.gov/